Auturemov amout tulse. Pinful, annoying mout ulcer campo pupanitim, usually during a period of stress or illness. Luckily, I pretty simple to get rid of them on your own, using an of home remedy. But if the ulcer are really stubborn, you can always seek medical treatment. Use a saline rinse. Rinsing your mout with a salt water solution can help disinfect your mout ulcer, keeping it clean from the bacteria that naturally occur in your mout and preventing aggravation. Mix a teaspoon or two of salt with a warm glass of water. Texas ratio is important, allons à your no using so much salt that you can keep the water in your mout. If you don't have salt handy, or you can handle the taste, use a pinch of baking soda instead. Hold the saline solution in your mout, and switch from seed to seed. Spit the solution at 5. Don't swallow it, otherwise, you'll find yourself dehydrated. Repea affettimade. I agodida to do it again after meal before you go to bed. Apply some money on the ulcer. It masting painfully a bit when you apply it. But it effective. D'absorb with hydrogen peroxide. Like a saline rinse, hydrogen peroxide can disinfect ulcer. Mix 3% hydrogène peroxide with an equal volume of water. You on need much for treatment, a quarter cup of should do it. Dip a coton swab into solution, and a bit of it sore. Once you've done it initial cleanup, dip a fresh swab and hold it tout sore for a few seconds. Don't swallow the solution. Hydrogène peroxide is to swallowed. Make sure you're using just an oug solution to wet the cotton swab. Repea once or twice a day. Try to do it morning and night. Suck on ice chips. The cold can reduce the swelling of the sore, as well as being at the pain. If you can, use your tongue to hold a chip directly against the sore. Carry around a cup of chips, if you can. Keep them in a coffee thermos or a styrofoam cup to prevent rapid melting, and use them throughout the day. Drink cold water. If these chips are too cold for you, try to at least drink cool water throughout the day. Reduce acidity. Some cancers or can be caused by excess acid, or too low pH, in your mout. Draw to get back to the right balance. Avoid acidic food and drink. Stay clear of carbonated drink, citrus fruits, spicy food and hard food like toasted bread. Chez antacid Take a tablet affettimade, especially before eating. Dab milk of magnesia on te sort. Once or twice a day, puis some milk of magnesia on a coton swab and gently dab it over active sore. Use mouthwash. Rinsing out your mout more often will clear out an aggravating bacteria, avalaing the pain of the sore in some case. Usant ovete quinte solution. Just a bout en mouthwash will work for the purpose. Switch it morning and night, and maybe after lunch as well. Use a diphenhydramine suspension wash. Use rince, sucha benadryl allergie liquide rince, can help dulte pain avel. Spit it out. Neve swallow mouthwash. Use almond. Slice almond in half. Apply it on tulse. It masting a lit te le but it will bonmub, wish I god, finish ubi adding some money. Use baking powder en lemon. Mix un 4 of a teaspoon of baking powder with a freshly cool lemon, squeeze alt juice out, un tot baking soda. Add a tablespoon of cold water and half a teaspoon of honey. Finally, mix until all blended in. Apply it to your ulcer. Do it twice every day, once in the morning and once when you're going to sleep. After a week, you should have cleared ulcer. Manage pain. If you can get rid of your mout ulcer as soon as you like, you can at least try to forge about it. Take an ovete quinte pain relivé. Avoid taking aspirin if you're 18 or you onge. Use an bee gel. Tesar sold ovete quinte a most drugstore for infant at in your touch. Dab it gently on te sore every few. Visit a dentist if te sore last for 3 weeks or more. Most mot ulcer should go away on surrounding to treveik. If you is still sticking around, schedule an appointment with a dentist. A dentist can help you make sur your problem actually a mot ulcer, en no tout abscess or a rare form of oral cancer. Request a corticosteroid gel or medicated mouthwash. If you do just have a stubborn mouth ulcer, ask your dentist about using a prescription treatment. Fluocinonide gel, Lidex, corticosteroid contact don swelling en est pain of your canker sore. Alert your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have an autoimmune disease, you might be better suited to a note treatment. Chlorhexidine gluconate mouthwash, mouthwash ta usé to treat gingivity en cavity between teeth, can also help mouth ulcer. Schedule regular dental check-up et en cleaning. Consiste oral hygiene can prevent mouth ulcer from returning. In addition to brushing your teeth twice a day and flossing once a day, consider seeing a dentist every 6 months for a professional evaluation and cleaning.